weatherproof polypropylene storage case. Motor internally thermal protected. Handy neoprene pocket to store hose and accessories. Built-in pressure switch. High-temperature air hose, made in Japan, with US standard fittings, 7M, 23 feet, in length and rated to 150 psi, 10 bar, 1x quick connect ARB tire inflation chuck, 1x tire bead seating fitting, 1x inflation accessory kit. Hard anodized cylinder bore and Teflon impregnated carbon fiber piston seal, built-in overpressure safety valve, motor internally thermal, protected, built-in pressure switch, handy neoprene pocket to store hose and accessories, weatherproof impact-resistant polypropylene carry case. The chuck is designed to be a quick connect-disconnect head. It makes tire inflation an absolute breeze. It grips the tire valve preventing leaks. With this 23 feet, 7M, long hose you will never have to worry about any distance problems to an air compressor. It fits all the way to the back tire.